Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen California Coast T7 in mono silver. This is a modern and versatile camper van designed for both adventure and everyday practicality, powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission. Equipped with alloy wheels, range adjustable headlights and intermittent windscreen wipers, the exterior ensures convenience and visibility in various conditions. The rear view camera and front and rear parking sensors make manoeuvring effortless, whether in tight urban spaces or remote camping spots. Built for flexibility, the van features sliding doors and a tailgate for accessibility and an electric pop-up roof with a built-in roof bed, creating extra sleeping spaces. The rear seats also extend into a bed, making it perfect for family trips or weekend getaways. Ambient lighting enhances the interior atmosphere, while ISOFIX top tethers and lower anchor points provide secure seating for passengers. The front seats are both heated for journeys on colder days, but they can also swivel whilst parked to make the most of the living space. The kitchen features a gas hob, sink and a cool box which can be accessed from both inside and outside the van. This setup is protected by the standard awning, making outdoor cooking hassle-free. A folding table and 2 folding chairs provide the perfect dining or working setup. From the multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel, you can access functions such as adaptive cruise control and navigate through the cockpit and media system with ease. The digital dash provides clear and customisable information, and the infotainment system includes DAB radio, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and Volkswagen App Connect for seamless connectivity whilst on the go. From the screen, you can also view vehicle information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of your camera and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring. Moving down, you will find cup holders which can be folded away for your convenience, and there are USB interfaces and 230 volt sockets throughout the camper. There are also storage compartments to ensure your belongings are always organised and secure. This has been a presentation of the California Coast that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.